not gonna hide it, I'm not gonna lie. I know you can see it. What you
coming up on today's vlog. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Why is my lip so pink? What do you need? Ah! I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Good morning, guys. Flawless. Say I. Okay, fine. Say good morning. Why are you so dirty? We're gonna go take care of Maddie. Maddie don't want you to do her hair.
Let me do her hair.
Oh no, these rubber bands gotta go.
That's what they were doing.
Stand up. Pick up the rubber band. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So, I woke up and I did my hair. It's just in a braid out right now. It's just in a braid out. And yeah, it's just in a braid out. And
Jaxson, do the front closet.
we ain't gonna say much about it. Okay? Let's just pretend like, yeah. So, my sister's coming over tomorrow. I'm so excited. Why is my lips so red or pink? It's like too much lips. Too much lips. Too much lip on one person. Right, honey? Do I have too much lip? But anyways, my sister's coming over tomorrow. So, I'm excited. I'm excited. I have to go tend to Maddie. Rob is in the house. Say hi, Rob. Oh, Lord. Okay. Rob is not as excited as I am for morning. So, I cleaned my house. It's nice and clean. Ready for my sister tomorrow. And we're still like touching up with paint and stuff like that. Hubby touched up the paint on the stairs and the blue tape leaked everywhere. So now we had to get all that stuff up off the stairs. Owning a house is like such a good thing, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work because you can't call nobody to come just, you know, do what they gotta do. You gotta do everything yourself. So, and then I have to do the girls' hair. And then I have to go out to the store because we gotta go organize the basement. And I have to do upstairs. But upstairs is not too bad. It's just, it's really fast. Downstairs is where, you know, where we live. Like, where we live, where we reside. It was just dirty. Not dirty like as in the house is. No, it's just, it required a deep cleaning and stuff. You know, vacuum the couches and get all the trash that's been accumulated under, you know, places that you usually don't see. And it's just, so that's just been my day. And this vlog is just going to be a lot of talking, not a lot of any showing, nothing, because we're busy. So let me get off of here and go finish. Destiny's cleaning the bathroom. Daddy's working on the stairs. Like I said, he likes things to be perfect. And me, I take a break every chance I can. Every hour I take a break. Like right now, I'm hungry. Let's go. So, we're at Lowe's trying to figure out whether or not, what do we need? Jaxson, come on. So, I'm building my table finally, and this cart is so hard to put, and I say "and" a lot.
Only one.
Excuse me.
But it doesn't say where it belongs.
Not available.
Yeah.
These people here are like brick. They don't move. You could say "excuse me" all day long. They don't move. But anyways, we're here. Got the lumber cut, and I'm excited for my table. I'm gonna go see if that refrigerator is still there. even though hubby only came for his water. But he's gonna build me a table. Right, Rob? Come on, Jack, before you get lost. So, I don't know if I have stain. Should have stain, but I don't know if I have stain. That's the problem right now. Okay, so the other fridge is gone. The other fridge is gone, but I do see another fridge.
I see a fridge that has water that we're going to get from pipe.
I don't know.
Oh, wait.
Customer didn't want and returned. Different model. Come this way, buddy.
Dad, Mommy. Is that 18?
Oh, I think it's beat up. I'm not sure.
Mommy,
Yeah.
is this 1800?
Is it 18?
Yeah, 1800.
Oh,
You can fit everything in there.
watch out. Watch out, buddy. Sure.
You can fit everything.
Watch out.
What? It even has a
A pull out. It has a pull out.
No, what?
It's scratched. It's dented.
Mommy, look. It has a door.
It's a good buy, but I don't know. I'm still thinking. Okay, this is the fridge, and it has a little handle thing in here where you just open. It's 1800.
Oh.
I don't think hubby's gonna buy it, but it has a scratch. It has a scratch here, that scratch there. I'm gonna beat up fridge. All right, let's keep looking. Turn that down. Okay, so the legs for my tables are done. So let me show you guys. So basically, that's the legs, and then we're getting ready to put the top on, and then the bottom pieces, and then it should be done.
Now you know. Get a Little Caesars salted soft pretzel crust pizza with creamy cheddar cheese sauce, mozzarella, pepperoni, and a 4-cheese blend for just $6. Try our convenient app and Pizza Portal pickup.
Hi, guys.
Pizza. How do we tell people they get the best of both worlds with Sprint?
Why are we sleeping on the floor? We don't have beds?
And an iconic phone for just $25 a month.
used to
Switch and get
sleeping
a
on the
limited plan.
floor.
Samsung Galaxy S9 and Hulu included for just $25 a month.
Everybody.
Right now, you can get 2
I'm
KFC
so
chicken wings for
tired.
$3. Doesn't get any better than that. Actually, with 4 flavors to choose from, it did get better, and I stand corrected.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the table. Just a sneak peek. Ooh, it's cold. There go the table. And it's drying. I'm so excited. It's really pretty.
Destination.
Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna go moisturize my hair. It's looking a mess now. I didn't show you guys the length of it though. This is the actual length of my hair. Don't mind my face is breaking out. But this is the actual length of my hair. So it's about down to here. And I clipped off a good I clipped off this part, the edge, the brown part. You see where it is? I clipped off most of it. So next time when I braid my hair and I take it out, I'm gonna clip it again, and that way I can get rid of all the colored ends of my hair, because I just don't like that. It's not healthy, because whenever time I do a braid out, it tends to, I don't know, it's just, I need to get rid of it. So I got rid of a bulk of it yesterday, and I'm gonna braid it back up so that it can keep growing without me, you know, always in it and stuff. Just to protect my ends during the winter months, because that's when my hair breaks the most, is during the winter months. I was so tempted to put a perm in my hair yesterday because I was just struggling. But I fought through, and, you know, I'm just trying to love myself as is. Like, as I wake up out the bed in the morning, that Janice I'm trying to love. You know what I mean? So it's a slow process, but I'm slowly getting there. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button somewhere on the screen and become a sunshine. And my eyes red. Don't worry. Whenever time I wear makeup, it gets red. Anyways, guys, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow, guys, you're gonna see my twin sister, my identical twin sister. So I'm an identical twin, and I have fraternal twin boys. Bye, guys.